Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Skills Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to make threads on a board. So go to File, New Part. Okay, choose Front Plane Sketch. Go to Circle, make a diameter of 10 millimeters. Okay, then go to Features, Extruded Boss, make a cylinder of 50 millimeters. Okay, next select this face sketch, then go to circle, create a circle of distance 16 millimeters. Okay, again go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, change direction, extrude it to the distance of 10 millimeters. Okay, next thing, go to Fillet command, select this feature, make a fillet radius of 1 millimeter. Okay, next thing, go to fillet down here, chamfer, select this edge, make a chamfer of 1 millimeter. Okay, the next, select this face sketch, go to polygon, select polygon, make a 6-sided polygon, then define it, smart dimension, make it to be 12.75 millimeters. Okay, then make this point to this center point vertical. Okay, then go to Features, Extruded Cut, distance of 5 millimeters. Okay, great. So in order to make threads on the surface of the cylinder, go to For Wizard, arrow down, select Thread, then in thread location, select this edge, create, and then offset command, offset to the distance of 80 millimeters, then go to end condition, up to selection, select this face, select there, and then select this face. Great. And specification type metric die, because we're making threads on this surface of the cylinder. Then size, it's M10 by 1. 1 is the pitch size. Okay, and then select. Okay, see, finally we have created threads on a board. And then you go to Appearances, Metal, Brass, then Polished Brass. Finally done. So what you can do from here, just go to Save, then you save your part to the intended file. Please subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.